Let's try the Melty Kiss Slim Kiss Matcha Maburu first. This is a very pretty color, and I've always loved Japanese packaging because there's always an easy way, there you go, to open it. As you can see here, the packaging is quite creative and well thought out. Sorry, it doesn't want to focus. Okay, let's just unwrap one. There, you can see it more clearly now. It's a thinly sliced melt-in-your-mouth chocolate with swirls of matcha. Here you go. Itadakimasu. Oishii. Next, we'll try the Melty Kiss Torokeru White. The packaging reminds me of weddings. It's pretty. That's a beautiful French navy blue color, and again, everything is individually wrapped. Let's open one. I really like this cube shape. It's like a sugar cube, but white chocolate version. Imagine putting this on your tongue and sipping warm tea or coffee. It would be heaven. Itadakimasu. Let's see how many chocolates are in this box. Oh, look at that. Pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you!